Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, Solve.NET Framework 4 is not supported on this operating system in Windows. First method is change Windows features. Second method is change registry settings. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.